I'm gonna leave it all behind. Find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now.
Hey guys, thanks so much for clicking on today's video. I'm excited to show you the before and after of my dream kitchen transformation. As you just saw, our kitchen was very bare and bland when we bought the home. It had zero character. We actually did a minor update back 6 years ago of what we only could afford at the time, and that was just staining our cabinets and peninsula and adding some really cool hardware. We knew that this update was very temporary, so we decided to be deliberate in saving for our dream kitchen in the future. So we still did our very best and chose budget-friendly options during the process, which I will share with you in a more detailed video later on when I do a full kitchen tour. But make sure you're subscribed and click that notification bell so that you're notified when I upload weekly. Now enjoy seeing the befores of our kitchen, the process of getting there, and get ready to be amazed at the after.
I don't wanna be dragged in a box. I just wanna go my own way. 'Cause I am on my way. 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 I am on my way.
I did want to mention that I was only 2 weeks shy of my due date with my second baby girl. So the pressure to have this whole kitchen project done in time was very heavy. But the crew that we hired was determined and very professional throughout the whole process. They were awesome.
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet.
This renovation took about 2 months of decision making and preparation, and about 2.5 weeks from like demo day to the completion day. We did lots of online shopping as well as like in-person shopping on the ground. We were not shy in asking for what we want, and based on that, we made decisions that were smart in order to stay on our budget.
We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it, that we can make the sun come out. Let us lose
This is the kitchen of my dreams. I've always loved the French country white kitchens, and I must say that this design exceeds my expectations. If you have any questions about where I purchased any of the finishes or materials, please comment below and I will be sure to answer them as soon as I can. So please enjoy viewing all the details of my brand new kitchen. so much for watching and joining our journey into renovating our kitchen. I love sharing all the things that we've done to make our little paradise at home. Don't forget, a full kitchen tour will be on the horizon where I show you every feature our kitchen has to offer in hopes it will give you some inspiration if you're redoing your kitchen at home. So be sure to subscribe and get notified when that video goes live. I'm looking forward to hearing all about your home endeavors, so please say hello in the comments and like this video if you want to see more home renovations and DIY projects. Have a wonderful and blessed week.